I'm trying to cross my T's and dot my I's, you know, trying to plan our big trip, our big move, and I don't like this. So I'm just kind of doing a pre-setup to make sure I'm all capable of hooking up to, you know, a water connection at campgrounds or whatever. And I don't like this. So maybe the old plumbing truck will provide. Oh, I have something. My customers like to give me things. What the heck is this thing? I don't even know what the heck that thing is. Anyways, that's not what I'm after. Look at this. Oh. I don't know where they got it. I don't know if it's a cheap one or not. But I'm thinking. Oh, yes. I think that's the ticket. Water flow this way. That might work. Just connect the hose at the bottom there.